So viewers, this is Chalkewadi Pathar and we are heading towards the paradise of Satara, the heaven of Satara, that is the Sahyadri Tiger Reserve, Kathi. Right now I am ahead of Chalkewadi and from here we have to move towards the Kathi, which is nearly about 20 kilometers from Chalkewadi. And I have shown in my video where to take a right, and there is Kathi Tek village, and from that point you have to go towards right and then you will reach to Kathi village. So this is it. There are 40 to 50,000 windmills on this Pathar. Most of them are taken over by the Suzlon company and there are some private investments also. So this is the Asia's second largest windmill project, Chalkewadi windmill project. The Kathi project was taken over by the Maharashtra government in 2008 and then it was developed further. So here I am right now at Chalkewadi Patan Road. Here you can see this board. This is Kathi Tek village, Kathi Tek village, and from here we have to go towards west. This is Kathi Tek village. This road goes to Patan and here it comes from Chalkewadi. So we are heading towards Sahyadri Tiger Reserve, Kathi. Here guys, you can see this off-road. This is totally off-road. And we are heading towards Sahyadri Tiger Reserve, Kathi. The Satara's paradise. Rather, I would like to say the heaven of Satara. So this is how road is getting down. Again. You can see this totally off-road. The construction of the road is going on, but it's slow. Backwater cabins, Koina backwater cabins. From here you have to take right. So now I'm climbing up on this big rock and I'm going to show you the paradise of Satara. Here you can see this amazing Sahyadri Tiger Reserve, Kathi. So viewers, now I am going to show you the amazing view of Sahyadri Tiger Reserve, Kathi. You cannot get this kind of view anywhere else in Satara. This is paradise of Satara. Sahyadri Tiger Reserve, Kathi. Woohoo! It's damn awesome. So guys, you will find lots of animal in this dense forest. As you can see, this is the Koina Wildlife Sanctuary. and you will get lots of different type of animals like leopards, bears, then might be tigers also, because this is tiger reserve. And but the area of this tiger reserve is around 750 kilometers from here till Karnataka border. So that's why tigers might, we can see. There are wild buffaloes also, bison. I just love this site, guys. Sahyadri Tiger Reserve, Kathi. Woohoo! I'm surprised, guys, because this is the paradise of Satara, and yet the Satara's people don't know it, don't know anything about this place. So you should come to this place. This is not so long. It's just 50 kilometers, max 50 from Satara city. You can reach to this side from Patan also. Patan is 25 kilometers away from here. Yes, Patan and Satara. These are the both cities from where you can reach to this place. You have to come to Kathi Tek village, and from there you have to come to Kathi. One hotel is also here. You can stay here if you want. So viewers, here I am explaining the route map from Satara city to Sahyadri Tiger Reserve, Kathi. If you start from Satara, you have to travel towards Thosegar, Sajjangarh, then Thosegar, then Charkewadi village. Ahead of Charkewadi village, there is one powerhouse, that is Suzlon powerhouse. You have to take left from that point. The off-road will start, and there is Charkewadi Pathar. Lots of windmills are there, and there around 20 kilometers ahead there is one Velekathi village. From that point you have to take right. That's also off-road, and then you will reach to Kathi village here. From this is the point, Sahyadri Tiger Reserve, Kathi. This is Shivsagar's Koyana Dam, Shivsagar Lake and Koyana. So guys, here I am ending up my journey. I'm totally tired, wiped out, everything. I hope you like it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, The Uncharted Satara. Sahyadri Tiger Reserve, Kathi.